Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course there was this bug that appeared with patch Tuesday of March 2025 that uninstalled for some of you the Copilot app, both on Windows 10 and Windows 11. And Microsoft has said today that it has fixed the problem, depending on what side you are on, if it's a problem or a welcome thing. There are people that I've seen a lot of comments of people saying, "Well, I actually use Copilot a lot for different things." I personally don't hate Copilot. I do ask Copilot and do things with it that it's surprisingly interesting, and the answers are surprisingly accurate. So it depends on what you want it or not, and that's more of a personal option or personal question. So Microsoft has announced today that they fixed the issue and that your PC will be returned to its previous state. So that's the wording they're using. Your PC will be returned to the previous state, which I can read as if Copilot was removed, we will put Copilot back on your computer so that there's no problem. So that's what I guess. If it disappeared from your PC, it might magically reappear within the next few days because of that fix. And of course, Microsoft does say you don't have it, you want it right now, you can go to the Microsoft Store. Copilot app is part of the Microsoft Store. So you can just search for Copilot and it will appear as Microsoft Copilot that you can install on your computer. Here it's installed for me. But if you absolutely need it now before the fix, and of course for those that were happy that it was gone, well, you'll be unhappy again as it's going to come back. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.